Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. This style is for every beautiful women that are blessed with coily hair, and it's a style that if you really want something that is low maintenance, I would advise you to watch this video to the end, because this is a hairstyle for you to try. And this hairstyle, you can see how it's a style that will give you that extra hat just where you want it. And it's a style that is new, and it's a trending way for you to style your hair. So one beautiful thing about the style is that it's a style that will make you go easy on hair gels or cream, because you can see how the coils will really have that little piece of frizz. It's a mundane haircut and it's trending. And one thing about the style is that it will help to really maintain your hair's health and give your hair that modern look and sophistication it really wants. So to really play up to your hair texture, just add a bit of some flattering colors that will help to boost the sophistication of your look. And you can see how the style is just quick and is an easily protective style for your curls. And one thing about the style is that it's an elegant style for women, with fine or thin hair, because it will take many years of your age, and it's a style that will really show off your face shape and your beautiful eyes. So if you're really looking for styles on your next hair appointment, please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this hairstyle, because we have beautiful styles to really turn eyes towards it at that occasion, and that style that will make you look sophisticated. God bless you guys, and see you in the next upload.
This one I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go.
If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go.
I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew.
If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so. If you help me see it, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so. She don't break my heart. Can't take it no more. Can't stand it no more. So go.
If I die now, I go happy. Say when I did this world, I don't fall in love. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't good. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so if you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
But since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go.
If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my let go. If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my let go.
I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song I'm right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life new.
If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no love me and so. If you help me see a go, make you tell him I don't go. She no love me and so.